Hi guys, my name is Gabby and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to recreate this look and I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at GabbyBMUA. To start this makeup tutorial, I already did my eyebrows off camera, but I'll leave that for another video. I'm going to start with the Becca First Light Priming Filter and I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Now I'm going to use the Conceal and Perfect foundation from Milani. I definitely recommend this. It's really good. And I really like the way it makes my skin look. And I've used it on other people and it looks really good on them as well. So first I'm going to go in with a foundation brush, just to spread it on my face. And then I will be going with a beauty blender to smooth it out completely. So as I said, I'm going with my beauty blender to smooth everything out. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead with the Fit Me concealer in a darker shade to use as contour. And I'm going to apply that on my nose, by the side of my forehead, under my cheekbones, and on my jawline. And around my lips to make them bigger. Now that I'm going to go ahead with the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. And I'm going to apply this in the places I want to lighten, such as my under eyes, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. Also my eyelid, because they're dark as well. Looking fabulous. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend everything together. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my Laura Mercier powder and I'm gonna use this with the little sponge that it brings to set my under eyes and under the contour and my forehead and the bridge of my nose and my chin. Also, when you apply it here, just make sure to make a little line right there. Like, you'll see it when I do it, but just make a little line right there so that your nose looks sharper. Like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes right now. So I'm gonna go with the Carity matte palette. I'm gonna go ahead with this flat fluffy brush and I'm just gonna take the white shadow and just apply it to my lid to brighten my lid, because y'all saw that earlier. I was not attractive. I'm gonna be applying these eyelashes from House of Lashes. The name is, I believe it's Cecile. I'm gonna take them out. And I'm gonna be using the Duo Glue, the green one that comes with the brush. And I'm gonna apply that on the lash. And while that's getting tacky, I'm gonna go ahead, curl my lashes. Did nothing whatsoever because I have no eyelashes. And then I will be applying some of the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. So now that I believe it's a little tacky, just blow on them a little bit, and I am going to apply them just above. So I saw this trick on Instagram that you could take the end of a brush and your mascara and you blend your natural eyelashes together with the fake ones. Just like that. That was a little terrifying. On to the next one. We're going to repeat the same process. So with the Tarteist eyeliner and this brush, I'm just gonna take some and fill in that little gap right there. Alright guys, so after we have done that, I'm going to go ahead with this Real Techniques blush brush that I use, and I'm going to remove all the powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the telescopic mascara to my under eyelashes. Okay, so now that we have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some bronzer. I really like this one from Lisa Frank. It's called Bitten and Bronzed Matte Bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead with this Wet n Wild contour brush. And now I'm gonna apply the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour blush with the same brush that I wiped off the powder with. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my MAC Fix Plus. So now that that has set, I'm gonna go ahead with my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter and anyways, and this brush. I know this is a blush brush, but I'll still use it for highlighter. I'm just gonna go ahead with my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend that highlight with everything because it looks a little bit too much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a wipe and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my lips. So now that I clean my lips, I'm gonna go ahead with the MAC Clear Lip Gloss. I really love this. Like, it lasts really long compared to other lip glosses that I've tried. And it really makes your lips look good. I almost forgot. I forgot to apply highlight to my inner corners. Okay. Like, comment any video suggestions that you think I should do. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.